My name is Lolita, and this is my story. After finishing high school in 2021, I started studying computer engineering at Heriot-Watt University of Radio Electronics. But only 2 weeks later, everything changed. The war began and everything moved online. It was a really hard time, but I never wanted to give up on my education. I moved to Scotland to find safety and a new beginning. I joined Edinburgh College to study software development. After 2 years, I progressed to Heriot-Watt University, joining directly into second year of the computer science program. It felt amazing to be back learning in person again, surrounded by new ideas, new people, and so many opportunities. When I first arrived, my English wasn't perfect, but the support at Heriot-Watt has been incredible. My lecturers are kind and patient, and everyone wants to help you succeed, which really inspired me to dream even bigger. In the future, I want to work in technology and research, using what I have learned to create a real change. Coming to Scotland changed my life. At Heriot-Watt, I have found opportunity. It's a wonderful community where everyone belongs. You will find your people here. This is my future and this is my story.